The sun is rising on the swimming pool of the Pan Pacific Service Suites in Bangkok, and you find yourself in a luxury suite hotel, perfect for short or long stays. The Pan Pacific Hotels Group is one of Asia's most established hotel companies, offering premium accommodations and services. You will be very warmly received upon your arrival and check-in. And though this is a Service Suites property, you will have all the advantages of a top-notch luxury hotel, with attendance to your daily maid service, refreshing your towels and toiletries, and cleaning your full kitchen, part of your suite amenities. Good morning. It's a full buffet breakfast at the Pan Pacific, a real highlight of the day. If you do choose to make your own breakfast, or lunch, or dinner, here is a full-size kitchen, complete with dishes, silverware, and cooking pans. Your family-sized dining table awaits you. Its executive suites are contemporary, offering the most comfortable king-sized beds, an in-suite oversized bathtub with separate shower. What could be more homey while you're away from home? Now it's time to further explore the Pan Pacific Service Suites Hotel. The lobby is sparkling and inviting. There is a residence lounge featuring a pool table, internet and TV access. And don't forget complimentary coffee all day. You can make use of a fully equipped air-conditioned gym equipped with TVs and iPods to entertain you. Located in the lounge area, you'll also find a separate spa and massage area. And look at the fabulous infinity-style pool overlooking city scenes of Bangkok. Car transfer arrangements are offered upon request. Its close proximity to the rapid monorail system is ideal for getting around a sprawling city like Bangkok. Or you can just stay right at home at your Pan Pacific Service Suites, shopping at the mall attached to it, with a 24-hour food land for your market needs, in addition to a variety of other retail stores. And if you are recuperating from a medical procedure, this type of accommodation would be a perfect fit. Enhance your stay in Bangkok at the Pan Pacific Service Suites Hotel.